Okay, I'll share first my screen, right? 1 minute. So now visible all of you, I hope.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone reply me it's visible right now?
Yes, as
Yes.
it is visible.
Yeah, correct. So I'm already told you Python is a very easy language. Okay. So compared to other languages, market so many languages available, and Python compared to other languages is easy to learn. That's already explained in first class, right? And Python cannot say it's a right now market is new. It's a very old language. Nowadays it's a popular, right? So history, all those things, version detail, yesterday class, I'm just fastly explain you just who is not attend, who is not. So you just see here. What is Python already told you. Python is very means fast learning and high level open source. Okay, it's a free okay software and object oriented okay programming language, right? And also it's a means it's a small readability maintenance is very less because its code is very less that due to okay, and also support so many module and package also, right? And here Python history I have mentioned just to go see here. Python was introduced. Who is invented? Guido van Rossum, 1989, right? Who is invented? Python Software Foundation. And year by year go through just history in Python. What is the official site? Yesterday I told you just python.org. Always follow those site, right? So here you can find genuinely information. You can search Google, then you can find out any information that may be wrong, may be right. Okay, but you can always follow in python.org. Okay, and so what is the future of Python? This is the main future. I'm just here mentioned simple and readable open source community support, object oriented, standard library support, cross platform, any platform you can run it, interactive and interpreted, high level programming language, cross case sensitive, expressive programming language, GUI programming language also support, right? And which area mostly right here now using in particular in Python language. So those kind of web application regarding desktop application, mobile application, scientific numeric, audio, video, graphical application, data analysis, machine learning, geographical information system, everywhere nowadays, everywhere means nowadays cutting edge technology. Already told you, you want to make data science, you should strong first in Python you should strong, then it will be helpful to you write the code. After that, you want to make a career in web. First, you have to learn in Python. Any IoT platform, yeah, any automation, RPA, everywhere right now. Python, you should be know. Then it's a hello. I'm audible, all of you.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. So no need to time to take in this theoretical part. Today I'll be installation all of you. I because every programming language there will be need in what is that ideally. So what is that ideally? Anyone tell me what is that ideally? Anyone have a knowledge? IDLE. What is that? So ideally, first of all, any programming language. So it's an environment. There you can run. Okay. So voice issue, someone is Mudashir Malik sir. It's audible my voice. Hello,
Yes, it's audible.
Yes, it's audible.
audible. Okay, okay. Thank you. Great. So first of all, anyone ideally means it's a basic thing. It's a means any language there is one environment there you can run the program, the code. Okay. So you have to first set up
Integrated
that.
development environment.
What?
Integrated development environment.
Yeah, correct. Integrated development environment. Okay, this is the full form, IDL, right? So that will be Python. Regarding Python, organization has given default one. So normally default one you can just how to use, you just learn. Most probably no need to use in those default one, because so many disadvantage. I'll be explaining those things, and what is that third party ideally is market available. I'm using in VS Code. There is PyCharm. So many is Atom is there. Jupyter Notebook. It's a depend on which one you are using. I'll be explaining. So here you just see here Python version detail. I'm just yesterday class explaining Python 2 versus Python. Now series is means going on 3 series. Current version, stable version, what is that? 3.11, right? So here 2 version is stuck in when discontinue in 2010-20. Okay, then after that it's not continue 2 series, right? After that it's coming in 3.30. 303x means 3031. In this way version is coming in market, right? So here I mentioned 2008 is coming 3.0, 2020 it's coming 3.9. So now currently is current stable version is 3.11. Okay, so now you can see 1 minute. See, so difference, I think, I hope understand. So currently stable version you can see here 3.11. So I hope all are audible my voice. Yeah, any problem? So
It's
just
clear for me.
hello.
It's clear actually. I don't know if someone else is facing a problem, but
Okay,
it's clear.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. It's
Yes,
great.
it is clear. It is
Because
clear.
I feel someone is not listening, then so problem. Okay, it's no problem. I'll be continuing. Okay, so just try to understand. This is the history. I'm just explaining 2 and 3. Currently, you are in current market is right now stable version is 3.11. Okay, so those one will be use how to use that I'll be explaining. But always you just know Python file how to look likes. Okay, Python file look likes, notepad, how to notepad, just any file name abc dot txt extension. Okay, like that any other csv file, so that extension json file abc dot csv, like that file extension. Okay, sorry, csv. Okay, like that json file abc dot json. Okay, so like that Python file how to abc dot py. You just remember always. Whenever here is not compiling, okay, other language like that, .NET and other Java, they are only compile processes. Okay, here is not compiled, here is interpreted and interactive, right? So what is the difference? So this py once you have to run, that will be converted in bytecode, machine understandable language that will be converted once run. Okay, interpreted. So then that file bytecode will be created in backend in this log file. What is that? .pyc file. Okay, that you just remember. Okay, future you just understand. So how to run it backend? Okay, I'll show you backend before installation. You can see here. You can see first you have to go for download. Okay, first you can go for the download here. You can see Python download installation. I'm here mention how to. You can just see here. I'm downloading here because I have already downloaded. I cannot means possible to download, but I'll be show you how to download. First, you have to definitely you have to install this thing. It's a by default, right? So whenever you have to install, you just remember you want to customize by default. You can install now, that's a C drive, it will be installed your Python package all details. Okay, but you want to customize any other drive, D drive, E drive, then you can here customize. No need to, normally you can just go for the install now. And always remember, this is the add path to, you just click it. Okay, otherwise don't next procedure, don't do it. Before you should first you have to click those add path to. Okay, So for where you will be download, you just to go in here, official site. I'm already told you what is that official site, python.org, python.org, correct. So here you will be download this one. Otherwise, you want to not in this current stable version, then where your window, yeah, Mac, yeah, Linux, other platform. You can click in Windows, then Windows. Okay. Here you can suppose below 3.10 you want to just 64-bit according to your laptop, your system 32-bit. Just download this one. Suppose I want to this one install. Okay, this one 3.11. So here I'm just click here those package is coming, right? So otherwise here download installer, okay, package, sorry, here you can download, right? 32 download here, I'm downloading here. So those file exe file is downloaded right now. You can see here, I'll go for here. So then here I'm just run server, right? You can see here, you can see here is coming because already I have installed. I cannot go in this way. I just show you. Here you can click once you have click, okay, you should click definitely, don't skip this one, okay, path. You just click in, then install now, then next, no need nothing, right? So you can do it in this way. Okay, I'm not doing because already I have installed my system. Okay, so right now I'll be show you after installation what is that showing. Okay, right. So you can see here, 1 minute, Python. So you can see this is the ideally by default in Python, right? You can see here, I'll be open here. You can see this is the by default ideally cell here you will be work. Okay. So here is 3.8 and install working. I'm not in update one. You can do it, then it's showing in here. Correct. So here is interact mode. So here you can write the code. Okay. So this is the uh, ideally, right, normal. So, but before entering in programming one, this is the by default one. You just remember Python officially mandatory. You should first install this thing. After that, it's a third party tool. So many market is available. That's a depend on you which one you are using. So yeah, you can see here differentiate. I'm just show you here. After that, 1 minute. See here I'm mentioned PyCharm is market is available with third party, ideally. Other thing is VS Studio, sorry, Visual Studio. Other thing is small, some line text, Atom, Jupyter Notebook. It's a depend on you which one you are using. It's a depend. I'm using in this VS Code. I'll be teach you this VS Code because this is a lightweight and it's easy. Okay, it's a very fast and intelligent. I'm using means I'm comfortable. Good, I'll use, but depend on you which one you are using normally. But this one I have installed, it's a default one. Without this one you cannot go for this one. I'm using in VS Code. I cannot, it's not possible. First you have to install in this one. This one once installed, then what to do, you will be writing program. Basically normally programming world, I'll be enter. Before that I'll be ask you program how to write. Means I want to display something data in have something message hello world. So normally every program starting on what print function I through I will be display that I'll be display. But normally programming world you have to enter. So what is the logic behind and what is the flow chart means try to understand this one. Okay. So anything you just try to just graphically, maybe your input, maybe console through, maybe file through, maybe database through, maybe socket through, maybe web through. Okay. Here is your logic processing. Okay. Then output. Output depend on which logic you have to write here, means processing. You are doing in activity here, your code. Then according to output also coming like that. Okay, this is the world in programming in everywhere. You want to, you just suppose you don't have any idea. This is the logic, nothing is there. Just input, you according to your input you have to given, then logic you will be right. Okay, After that, get the result, right? So here, the steps I'm just explain you. Take the given input, assume the output, ask for the program input and output data, the format. So best first thing is according to your requirement, take the input. Okay, in requirement anything a plus b I want to suppose add. First you have to take in input here a plus b value. Then according to output you can class operator you can use. Yeah, requirement is loop. Once enter in programming, so many things. Just explain you little 4 5 points. Your loop, suppose your requirement is loop, yeah, condition, yeah, filter, yeah, something data operator, yeah, function, yeah, method. Inside you can write the code. Okay. After that you are get the some result. This is the normally as a layman I'm telling you. No one nobody is means nothing idea about that program, just programming flow. This is the okay. I'll show you how to print the function, all those things, but you just enter in programming world. This is the flow. Okay, correct. After that I want to write in this. Okay, print function. So once you have to install, I want to hear sorry, print. Okay, print is one of the function. Okay, I have here write in hello. Okay, you can see hello is coming, and you can see in this way you can print. Okay, print function here I'm just adding. Okay, 78 plus 90, see 168. Okay, here you can anything you can display, anything you can write. Okay, you can see here multiple lines also. I'll be right here. Hello, this is Python, our Python class. Okay, so here you get the output, right? But you cannot once enter, you cannot edit it. This is the disadvantage. Default one. Once you can write, then you cannot edit. Again here you cannot back also here. This is the main disadvantage. Again and again write the code. No, not possible in rewrite. That's the reason I have using this VS Code. So VS Code I'll be given you after class one link. Okay. So how to install? So those you can just follow and install. Okay. Because already I have system, means my system already installed. So it's not possible to I'll be show up you how to install in this, but I'll be one video I'll be recommend you. You just go through, then install your laptop. Otherwise, it's a depend on you which one you want to install. You can install. Okay, yeah, according to your anything, because I'm here so you know this slide you can see. 1 minute. All means ideally here is mentioned PyCharm, VS Code. Other remaining so many is available. I'm just here example purpose here mentioned. Okay, so it depend on you. Any problem you have to face in installation those things, then just ping me. Okay, bro, I'll be guide you. Okay, so before programming start, I'll be some basic problem you have to face. Okay, once enter in programming, I'll be clear out those things before you have to write a program, yeah, anything, some basic knowledge, basic syntax, basic error, how to resolve, because this thing is always gone. Then you will be problem faced. Okay, so those things today I'll be explained. So before that, you just see here. So this is the advantage and disadvantage. What is that? That's the reason I'll move in third party tool like VS Code, right? So I hope all of you understand still. Okay, so see, so first of all, I'm not here back. Okay, I want to back. I want to write in this code again. It's not possible. And once I'll be close. This data will be lost. Again, again I don't write it. Okay, so this is the disadvantage. here you can do it. Okay, you can back. It's not possible to back. That's the reason you can. Here it's possible command prompt through you can write. Okay, so first of all you can see how to command prompt through I'll be write. Okay, suppose one program I'll be write for I in range. I'll tell you, don't worry about that. Suppose here I want to generate 1 to 10 automatically. Okay, so how to generate? Okay, I'll be using for loop, then print. Okay, this thing I'll be print here. Suppose, okay, you can see, here is coming. Okay, 1 to 9, 0 to 9 means 10. Here starting with 0. Okay, range 10. I'll be explaining range function. What is that? So just example purpose, you can see here generated in 0 to 9. So those things I cannot back it again. I want to edit here something will be do this program, and it's not possible. Once close this thing, then it will be closed. Means data will be lost. Correct. So this thing, 1 minute. So okay. So this is the disadvantage. So I'll be follow here. I'll be creating in new file. What is that? I'm not saved still. Okay, how to edit it, how to data will be saved later, I'll be use and modification, everything will be do here also possible. Okay, but problem is I'll be tell you, it's a depend on you. You can use, otherwise you can go for the third party. Market is ideally so many available. Okay, so I'll be save this file first. Okay, save in, suppose I'll be D drive save. Okay, save in, it's hello dot, what is that? py extension. Just remember, you want to always Python file is extension is py file. Correct. I am saving in D drive. Correct. So now save in D drive hello.py. So this is the program, right? So how to run this program? You can go, sorry, you can first go in your command prompt. Command prompt, you can run it, no problem. CMD. Okay. Now I am in current drive in C drive. I want to move, then D colon D D 1 minute. Okay. CD D drive. Okay. D drive. 1 minute. CD D colon, because I'm not using any this command prompt. Okay. 1 minute. D D colon. Okay. WTS. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, let's see. I'll be saving this file in a C drive. Okay, I'll be saving this drive in save as C drive, right? C drive I'll be save mm, this hello dot py, right? Mm, no, why will be not moving? 1 minute. see here, D column.
No, sir. Just do D colon.
Hello,
Yes, sir. Just do D colon.
D colon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, okay. I forgot because I means mostly not use this. Just initially show you this thing will be no, then it's a grateful. I'll be mostly working this VS Code. Okay, I'll be explaining this VS Code. Before that, just your knowledge purpose, you just know those things. Okay, right now I'm D drive. I have just created what is that file name? Test dot sorry hello.py. Then how to run this py file? So you just Python. This is the file name. What is that? Hello.py. Okay, so you can see here you can run it. Okay, you can also file, you can here edit also. You can suppose I want to generate in 100, so then here I'll be shape. Okay, I'll go for the command line, then here how to run Python, then file name, what is that? Hello.py. Correct. So in this way you can run. Okay, you can edit and run, but it's a time taking. You can go in command line, you can open and edit again, come back. It's a time taking. It's also disadvantage. And here is by default it's interactive mode. Here you cannot save the data and you cannot back. Okay, so this is the default, but it's a mandatory. You without this ideally you cannot go for the third party. You first of all you should be installed. So install steps already told you, and also video also. Once this class will be finished, I'll be share. Just go to this default one. Once default one you have to install complete, then go for the third party tools. Third party tools, that's already told you. It's a depend on you which one you are feeling good. You can go for. I'm not say I'm using in VS Code. You are using in VS Code. So it's depend on you. Okay, I'll be guiding you VS Code how to install, but remaining thing it's a depend. Jupyter notebook you want to, you can go for the Jupyter notebook. Yeah, you want to PyCharm. Yeah, Atom you can go. No problem. Everywhere same. But by default, this ideally you have to install. Correct. So okay, so now I'll be close this default one. How to use? How to you have to create in file. So here I have created in file. So I'll be suppose write in modification I have done here. Everything is possible and save this data later. Purpose this file you can use. Okay. So this is the way of write the code. But I don't want to like in this way. I just go for in I'm using in VS Code. So any question disregarding anyone? Hello.
So is there any difference if we go for Jupyter Notes or the VS Code?
Nothing. That's depend on that future. Means here is by default this one. It's a Python. Once you want to learn means you want to Python ideally first you have to install. Okay, and Jupyter and the VS Code. That's a means a third party tool. I'll be show you. Nothing is different. But here is disadvantage. Advantage I'll already explain you in front of you, because here you cannot save it. Means this interactive mode, and you will be creating file. There no need to. There instant of time you will be creating file, and terminal also in front of you. You can interactive fast. You have to work. You want to work in fast, then go for in third party tools. I hope you
So
understand.
yeah, generally on an ideal working environment, if a particular company is working on a project, so it depends like we can use whatever we are comfortable with in the coding, or do we have to use like what that particular team is following?
Pardon, I'm not audible again.
I'm asking like in a work environment, like
Yeah. Yes.
it's like as we have different options of third parties, right? Like we have PyCharm, we have, as you said, Atom and Jupyter. So is it like, we can use like whatever we are comfortable with, or do we have generally what do they ask? They ask like, particular integrated development entire environment, did we work or not?
Yeah, it's a depend on you first. You have to choose, but your working environment, they suppose given you your laptop, your system, any ideal they are given you. Okay, according to your company rule, they may be Python their system install. They suppose given you will be work on Python, but every ideal is same. Okay, I'll be once so in VS Code you will be understand, don't worry about that. Okay, but
So the
first
commands also.
yeah,
Okay,
tell me.
sorry, go ahead. I'm saying the commands, whatever we run, are like syntaxes would be same in all the libraries what we use.
Yes,
Means like
correct.
this integrated development environments.
Yes,
Okay. Okay.
everywhere same. Okay, no problem.
So
Python, you want to run this file name means same is everywhere, but here is default terminal means I'll just show a few right now. Python regarding here you can see, I'll show you here. You can see here is terminal. Here you can see ls, I'll be here, I'll be back. Okay, you can see, I'll show you. Just wait for some moment, you clarity will become. Okay,
okay.
just wait. Okay, I'll show you everything. So you can see here, I'm installing. Okay, here is all py file is here. How to fast, no need to back. Okay, I'm working here. Okay, so just to try to understand. I'll be once class will be complete now, then clarity will be comes, right? Just right now you just understand. I'm just whatever
Okay.
I'll be show right now, by default you will be install. That should mandatory, you should install. That will be means you can this by default, based on you can use in any third party tool. I'm using in
Okay.
VS Code. You can depend on, you can use in Jupyter, you can use Atom. That's a dependent. This is the thing is that other thing is nothing. Just wait for, I'll be explaining. Correct. So see, first of all, before entering in this Python world programming, after installation, you just check, okay, version details. So then you can use in Python underscore version. You can check the which version you have used. Then you want to use in package in Python. So then you always this PYPI. Okay, this is the library and package. You can find and you want to install, then you can go in Google. Okay, you can here PYPY. Here all package available means data science regarding you want to web development, you want to any kind of package you want to install and work. Here you have to go for the search. Suppose I want to NumPy. Suppose example, I want to install, I want to work. You can see here. You just click here, copy and pip install num here. So here you have to install. Suppose click and enter. Okay. So those things you want to before work you suppose need, then you can install in pip. Okay, pip run. Okay, pip you want to upgrade. This is the command. Okay, pip python minus m pip install double underscore upgrade pip, and then verify the pip version. Already told you pip underscore sorry, that's version. Okay, after that to find the package in installed run, then inside the which package you are working in this pip. Okay, particular that you want to know which package you are using, so just pip freeze, you will be know. So you can see here I'm just here pip freeze. Okay, see this kind of module here I am installing working still. Pip version, so which version you can see, pip version. Okay, you can see 2 point, sorry, 20.2.3. So this version is pip. Okay, so you want to install, then like that sudo apt install pip3. Suppose it's not available pip, then you can do in this way. So pip is mandatory, you can use in library or package, and you want to check, okay, those things regarding PP, this is the basic command after installation, those you have to check. Okay, so now I'll be go for the programming. This is basic thing, basic installation already told you, and VS Code. This is I am using in VS Code. VS Code regarding I'll be after class. I'll be share you one video. Just it's a simple, very simple. Just go through this video and how to install that step by step is there. You just do it. Okay. I'm not explaining and don't give the time. How to VS Code will be installed. Just referring you one video. Just go through. Any problem will be have. You just ping me. I'll be guide you how to install. But I don't know because already install how to show up you. It's not possible. I'll be share you one video. You just recommend you. Okay. So today I'll be starting programming. Okay. Programming world I'll be entering. So now I'm in Python class. Suppose I'll be here back. Okay. I'll be back here. I want to create in your programming regarding one folder. Okay. I want to create MK. Here you just see how I'm writing the code. Okay. Because fast. Okay. There Python default, it will be take time. Okay. Back then creating failed. Then that every it's a time taking. Okay. So now I'll be creating Python Guru one folder. Okay. Guru, correct. So now you can see here I'll be check Python and Guru folder is created or not. Okay. So YouTube Python and Guru. Now created here inside ls means you will be check inside anything is there, nothing is there. So now I want to create one file, right? I already told you, no, Python, you want to write a program means first you have to create in file. So first of all, I'll be go for the programming. You just this is the basics. Once installation, this is the VS Code look like. Here you can write the program. Okay, this is the terminal. Okay, here you can run the program. Here you can write the program. Okay, here you can write the program. Here you can run the program. Okay, so here you can see here you can see the project file, project, whatever project you can see here, everything you can goes, then you can understand. Okay, once installation. So once installation, just understand how to create that. I'll be share you a basic command. You can go this command, then you can run the file. So that command I'll be share after class. I'll be some basic command, this how to create in folder, how to create in PI file. Okay, so how to check that folder. This is the first you want to work, then it will be help. Okay, Jupyter, there you can write and run. Okay, but you want to really want to development environment, then you should follow this command line. Okay, it's a learning purpose. Jupyter notebook, it's okay, fine. That's the end of the point. It's a fine. You want to real work environment, so then you just follow this command line. It's good for you. Okay, I'll show you 1 minute. So I hope all of you understand. Yeah, any doubt? Till I'll be go for the programming right now. Basic syntax, basic things. So any doubt, just tell me.
Yeah, in the top, we have all these commands, right? So are these like default commands wherein when we install, we can also see these, or are these commands you have ran them already?
Yeah, default also there are also command prompt already told you. Na, every system there will be command prompt. Okay, there also you can
On the
there.
screen, yeah, this one, no, on the screen in the top, we can, you said like we can run the command on the top also, right? Here
Yeah,
we have all the members until 81 or something on the Visual Code, Visual Studio.
Your voice is means not clarity is coming. Okay.
Sir, actually, it is asking for the code which you have commented on the Visual Studio. That code
Okay.
is written before only, or you have typed it and then run, not in command prompt in
Just
the Visual
yeah,
Studio.
just minimize this one, not the command prompt. Can you please minimize this one and share? Yeah, yeah. So in this one, this we have on the top, we are able to see everything, all the commands on green, right? This,
No,
yeah,
no,
whatever
it's
is
don't
scrolling
worry
down.
about that. Here you will be just write the code. This is a previous one. I'll show
Oh,
you. Okay, this
that is
this
what I'm
this one
asking.
don't worry. I'll be close it. Okay, I'll close.
Oh,
This is the file. Okay, right now
okay. So
blank. Okay,
it will come as a, because for us when we are installing, it will come as a plain text when we will start writing the codes on that, right?
okay, yeah, correct. I'll show you just because you are confusing. Once I'll show you, then you will be clarity will become. Just hold for 2-3 minutes. Okay. See, first of all, it's here you can write, okay. Here terminal, everything here you can do, okay. Here you can do everything, operate, file run, file create, file check. Here you can do, okay. So first of all, you can see command prompt. Here is C drive user run, okay. Here also same thing. I don't like command prompt D drive like. Here I am operating everything. I don't want to go back and file save, then file check. It's a time taking. Everything here I'll be doing. Okay. See, I have created your training regarding Python Guru one folder where I have created in D drive. Correct. D drive. Correct. You can see here D drive Python Guru. See, here is blank right now. Okay. I'm not coming here creating new. Okay. Because it's a fast I want to work. Why will we come again back, create? It's a time taking. Okay. So just to see here, I have created in using in mkdir, correct? In this folder. Okay. Then here I have created, I want to, here I'll be creating py file. What is that py file? How to create it? Touch hello dot py. Okay, you can see here. Now I'll be ls. You can see here is created here not. Here also you can see Python Guru created here not. This is the Python file. First you can see Python source file. This is the Python source file. Once I have created, it will be created here. Correct. So now I want to code write in this file. Still it's blank. Okay. I want to write the code. Code hello dot py. It's open. Okay. Now here you will be write any program, anything you can write. Okay. Here print hello. Okay. And here printing in hello. Then control S. Once write the code, you just control save. Otherwise, it's not working. Once done right here, control S. Then here comes how to run the file. Already told you. Anyone can tell me? Sorry. Anyone can tell me how to run the Python files? Praveen? Yeah, Sindhu? Anyone? How to run the Python file?
Does the run option on the top, it doesn't work? Or?
Yeah, run also it's a possible. As a you are a programmer.
We need to look for in the command prompt.
Yes.
F5? Okay.
Yeah, F5 and run, it's a working. Okay, no problem. But you are as a programmer.
Use the Python keyword to run the Python file.
Yeah, already told you, na. Command prompt, what is that? Python. Sorry, 1 minute. 1 minute. So how to run? First using Python. Okay, Python. Without Python, You can run it here, run command, yeah, F5, okay. But if you just here, you can mention what is that file name? Hello.py. Python first extension. You want to run this file. So whatever write in inside the print hello, you want to display, then you can write in this way. Okay. You can get the result here. You can see here I am running this file and get the result in here. All are visible. Yeah, any problem? You can see here. Here I am writing the program. Here I want to write in multiple program. Okay. Here print. Okay. I want to add. Okay. 90 plus 34. Okay. See, 135. It's a powerful because this line you want to write in other language, Java, yeah, PHP. You should it's definitely 6-7 line you will be right. Okay. Then it will be get the result like that 135. But here it's means less code. Already told you this is the advantage. So this print function also hello also Java, yeah, .NET, you will be some library you have to import everything. Some I think 5-6 lines need minimum. So you want to this hello print, but here it's a 1-line code. Okay. So some basic syntax before I'll write here. I'm just show how to work, how to display the Python, how to run. This is the basic part. Right now I'm entering in programming world. So basic syntax I am here mentioned. We just follow. Okay. You can see this is the normally you have to face this kind of particularly error and this kind of you always remember when you want to enter in Python program, Python comment, how to comment it. Okay. Indentation error, multiple assignment, how to swapping, case sensitive, use of quotation in Python, how to use in quotation. Okay. Using backslash, semicolon in Python syntax, nomenclature. Okay. So those things you will be basic thing you will be understand. It's easy for you write the code. I'll be skip and code right, then you will be problem face, right? So I'll be show you one by one Python comment, how to comment. I'm already to here commented. Once commented, I'm run this file here, this hello.py file extension. I'm writing in this 2-line code. Previously, here suppose this code I am here running. You can see hello 135 is coming, but I don't want to this line. I just comment. Okay. Comment means it's a they are editor will not consider as a your whatever write it's code, yeah, line, yeah, nothing. They are just not consider. You just understand. Okay. You want to comment means here you can see I'm running this file, nothing is result is coming. Okay. Because I'm comment. Once comment out, so comment in how to single line comment, you can put in hash, multi-line also we can put it hash, but it's not possible. BS code, you can select. Okay. Multiple, suppose here multiple lines is there. So 100 line one by one put it will be take time. But you want to 1 line, you can put it also hash, no problem. Hash, it will be considered as a comment. You want to ignore this line, then you can put it hash. Okay. So multiple line, just select control, just control top of which forward slash is available your laptop, your system. Just do it control that one same time control forward slash, then comment it, then comment out how to, then again press it control forward slash. I hope you understand this comment how to put it in programming language. Just two line I have written. I want to comment out. Just select, just control forward slash, then comment in control forward slash. Correct. So this way you can comment it. Okay. So this is the comment. Okay. 1 minute. I'll be everyday class. I'll once complete this file, I'll be share with you because it's the reference purpose. Then you can understand. Okay. It's a helpful. Then indentation error. So what is that indentation error? Indentation error normally you have to see. Previously I am writing print. Okay. Print hello. See hello. I'm writing in this hello. Hello, right now I'm just giving space here. So what is that error? It's a showing in indentation error. You can see what is that? You just maintain proper way. Means anything space will be there, yeah, something will be means wrong. You have to retain. That time it will become what kind of error? Indentation error. So how to resolve? You just do like that. Okay. Suppose here I'll be here like that. Uh, it's a syntax error. Okay, that I'll be explain you how to. Syntax error means in this way you can see where will be something missing. Suppose Python display message print will be should be mandatory this parenthesis. You suppose keep in this parenthesis, then it will be showing error. Okay, syntax error. So indentation error, something space regarding issue means not you are writing in proper way. So then indentation error will be coming. So what is that? Indentation error, correct? So indentation error like that. Suppose here will be some space, then it will be comes in like that. Okay, you can see this is the indentation error, unexpected indent. Okay, so those things you will be removed, then it will be work. Okay. So this is the indentation error mostly you have to face. Suppose I'll be right here. You can see. You can see here. I'll be right here. Suppose for I in range. Okay, range 10. Okay, 10. Print I. Okay, it's a perfect right now. Just space after this line. Once you will be loop, yeah, something you will be write looping condition, just enter colon you have to end, then some space will be given. Okay, this is the rule. So it's okay, fine. It's now it's coming in result 1 to see. You can see here result 2 to 0 to 9, correct? But see, I'm just here like that. I'll be print. Okay, you can see. It's an indentation error. What is that? Indentation error. So syntax error, you understand, suppose I'll be removing here. This is the syntax error. It's a mandatory, you can close this. Okay, close this, then you have to space here, then you can run. You will be miss this thing, then it will be showing error. So it is the, what is that? It is means a syntax error. Why will be showing? Other language there will be not showing first. Okay, this is the this is the why it's interactive, because anything line by line it will be checked, the any error, then it will be not allowed in next line. Once correct, then you can go for the next line. Other language Java, sorry, C++, so what will be happen? Once write the 10 lines of code, okay, like that you have 2 lines, 10 lines of code, you will write. Anything wrong is there, that's okay, you cannot, it's not possible to correct it. Okay, once compile it, then after compilation some error is facing, then you can correct. Then any compilation, after compilation any error, again that's a time taking. But here you are writing in instant of time, any error you have to face. Python is, this is the advantage, this is the most powerful. Okay, so anything will be faced, then it will be indicating, correct? So in this way, indentation error you can find out. Okay, so indentation error, you just go through. So multiple assignment here is possible, but like other language, so multiple assignment you can see here. I'll be see x, y, and z. I'm here mentioned in chain. At a time I'll be mentioning. Okay, this is the variable I'll be tell you, but right now just explain you. Just try to understand. See, print. I'm printing in x, y, y, z. Correct. So all at a time I am assigning multiple value in multiple variables. It's possible. Okay, other language, it's not possible, right? So one by one you can do it. Okay, but here you can try. Okay, you can see. Okay, Python, it's possible. Okay, so I'm here commenting. Okay, so this is the multiple assignment. Okay, one by one I'll be show you. So first of all, print regarding, I'm not explaining you print. Okay, print some rule is there. Okay, print first of all, you should first you want to print means parenthesis start and close. Inside parenthesis, you will be anything you can and string data regarding just single quotation. Try to understand. Single quotation means just see here. Hello world single quotation, it's okay, fine, it will be representing as a Python will be automatic understand. It's a once you will be single underscore inside the data means Python will be understand it's a string data. How to understand it's a string data? Yeah, what then you can check in what is that using in one method. So type, okay, type hello. Okay, type, sorry, 1 minute. So this is the I'll be string here mention as a string, single string, multiple. Okay, here variable topic will become. I think that will be explained, but here right now explaining. So hello, this is the also string I'm assigning in this variable, right? So now I want to check. Okay, print a. See, hello is coming here also print. Okay, I'm assigning one variable. Single quotation and double quotation all are same. Okay, but I want to check in this which kind of data just regarding type. Okay, 1 minute. Variable topic will be coming, then that time I'll be explaining, but just show of you regarding which kind of data type single, but you just try to understand this single quotation, yeah, double quotation, Python will be understand it's a string. Okay, this is the my aim. Okay, I'm just a single quotation here put it. Okay, you can see 1 minute, single quotation here also single quotation, correct? See, it's a string, correct? String. I'm through variable I'll be show the type. Okay, but string, how to Python will be understand automatic single quotation, yeah, you can put it in double quotation. Okay, no problem, but you just see here double quotation, hello world. See, hello world, correct? So this one is printing, no problem, single quotation, yeah, double quotation, but it's only one line. Okay, but I want to print in multiple lines. You can see here I'll be print something is multiple lines. Okay, it's a showing error, it's a showing error, you can see it's not possible. You can see it's not possible, so it's a showing error. So how to print it? Only one line, it's okay, fine, single quotation, yeah, double quotation, but multiple lines, same thing, single quotation 3 times. You can see I'm end with 3 times single quotation. See, now it's a printing. Okay, no problem. Okay, you can see it's printing 3 lines, correct? So in this way, Python will to understand single quotation, means triple quotation means multiple line. This one line means single quotation, yeah, double quotation. Just remember string regarding, I'll be string topic will become, then will understand. So multiple lines, then single quotation 3 times, yeah, double quotation 3 times, no problem. So here single quotation 3 times, na, that place you can put it in double quotation also 3 times. It will be considered as a multiple lines. Correct? I hope you understand this thing. Okay. So after that, I'll be go for, so you can see here, and commented already told you how to comment in hash means it's not considered as a lines. I'll be run. Okay, Leela, any question?
Yeah, I have it out. Here, when we are using the print option, when we spoke about the indentation, we have taken space and at one run, and here we did not take the space. So like when to take the space and when not to take.
Sorry,
Uh,
sorry.
I was,
Yeah.
should I repeat it?
Yeah, repeat it.
Okay. I'm actually going back to the indentation part. In indentation, when we are doing it print, right? So first example, if you can just scroll a little bit up, in the first example, we have used space.
Yes.
Yeah, for in range 10, we have used space and we have did a print. And but in the second example, when we were doing print, we did not use any space. So when to use the space and when not to?
Yeah, that's a correct. Okay, but indentation error means that's a mistake. You want to try to understand. Here is and some space. Where is space? Here I'll be. Python also allowed in space inside this function. Suppose I am writing this. Suppose you can see it's a correct. I'm writing in this way. It's correct. It's a running. You can see here getting the result. Suppose this thing I'll be right. You can see I'm space here given starting onward. You should be write the code in starting, okay, but you are writing the code in some space here. It's indentation error. And Python also allowed also space inside the function. You can see here, you can see, and anything space you can give in here, no problem. Here also give the space, no problem. It's you are writing in this string inside some space, it's allowed. But
Okay.
indentation error, I'm telling here,
So
you should not blank here.
So,
Mandatory.
but in here, when in the seventh and eighth, here we had to take the space, right? When we were not giving the space, it was giving error, right? Here
Yeah,
for I in range 10. Here, when we use the print, if we were not using the space, it was giving an indentation error, right?
yeah, correct. This is the rule. You are looping. There will be some rules you are supposed to follow. For I in up to this is the one line. And once topic will become, and then you will understand that time. Just example purpose, I'll be show you, display you. This is the
But
one.
I just wanted to know because we are using print twice. So what is the difference of space and not? So it is like when we are using grouping, then this is the rule to write.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can see here, here you cannot, starting onward, you cannot write. Once this line is the same as a rule Python, you can once complete this line. Suppose you are enter one, you can see here is cursor and entering. Cursor where is coming? Some space, after some space, they are indicating. You can write here. You cannot write here.
So that it will prompt, the system will prompt us.
Yeah. Means it's a rule system, because I'm telling now it's an intelligence ideally. Okay, PS code, they are indicating already, means told you like that you can write the code. Okay, here
Okay.
you just try to understand, because it's you are writing the code in this line by line. Here once write this code in this whenever you have to write the code, that line you should be rule follow and write the code according to the rule. Okay, here you can write the code, then some space will be need, then you can print. Otherwise it will be shown directly you are printing, but you will be starting here first, here, not in here. Okay, here you will be start means it will be showing indentation error, some space is there, something is there. Okay, so you can see here print I. Okay, here it's okay, fine. Okay, I'll be comment it once at a time. You cannot run in this error as well as this correct one. I'll be this error first comment it. So see first, and for you should be start in starting onward. You will be support 1 minute, Control Z. here and give the space. You can see what is the error, indentation error. So how to correct it? Indentation error will be showing means some space you are wrongly put it. That will be corrected. That's the rule. Nothing is there. Means as per rule, where will be right, you are not right in correct way. Syntax error, something missing. Okay, means like parenthesis, your colon not given. So then syntax error is coming. Suppose right now indentation error. Suppose I'll be sort out this indentation error. Then colon I'm not close with. Print function no need to end with colon. I'll be tell you. But here you can see right now I'll be show you. It's a syntax error invalid. Correct. So in this way, you can face the error, then try to resolve, then go ahead in next level. So you can see print function, you can see here, hello. Hello, it's okay. I want to close, no problem. It's optional. It's optional, no problem. It's coming data. You should put it, you are not put it. But why will we require this? You want to write in multiple lines in one line. This print function I want to write in this, then again write in this line. Then first you should close the first line, then what to use? Semicolon. Okay, you can see close, then error will be go. So now you can see all will be remove it. I'll be run here this file hello.file, then it's a error. So yeah, Treat, just tell me what is the question.
Yes, yes. So about the indentation, she told, I can actually explain why the thing is that in the seventh line, can you go up the seventh line, the for loop?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the thing is that in the for loop, there is a two gem, right? Or I don't know what is it called. After range 10, it shows the Python interpreter that whatever after the lines, whatever lines are coming in, if they are indented, then it means that they are in the for loop. So it will be iterated many times as as like what is the range, like if you understand it. The two gen, that column you see, it indicates the interpreter that whatever comes after this line, if it is indented, then it is in the for loop. So there's the answer about what she asked before.
Yeah, correct, sir. Correct.
So whenever you see the functions or class method or like that, it will have the same syntax. They will have these two columns, and then all over the body will be indented. It will come after, I guess.
Okay. So I hope you understand.
Yeah.
Yes. So once you starting some syntax, basic syntax, just explain you. Once topic wise will become now, then you will be clarity will become. Okay. So right now, just understand indentation like that space. Okay. I'm writing some example in this program. Okay. By some print function, just for looping function. Once topic will be coming in loop. Okay. That time I will explain how to rule, how to write the loop, all those things, where will close. Just example purpose, just try to understand. So this is the indentation error. Some space will be indentation error will be find means some mistake in some space. Okay, we are right in something wrong. Correct.
Okay, we can move on.
Any question?
No, I got it.
Okay, so I'm step by step explaining because basic you will be understand. Man. You go for the any institute, they are skipping. They are starting just print function. They are telling then skip out all those because you are entering in programming world. Na? Just basic thing you are whatever phase you just understand. Okay, then I'll be go for the entering in depth. Okay, so you just try to understand. You can semicolon. I am here closing. Okay, I'm not close here. It's optional. Okay, you can see I'm at a time writing in this print function, same line. It's showing what is that syntax error. And here close, you can see close. So why will we use this semicolon? You understand, one line you are writing this code, no need to this colon, semicolon. But you will be writing multiple, same line in same function. So then you can see hello is printing 3 times. But in this way also print, okay. Control J, you can see. In this way and 3 times also print it. Print hello. Okay. Just see here. Okay. I'll copy and paste. Okay, you can see in this way also you can print it. Okay, so this is the rule. You cannot parenthesis. It's a mandatory. You cannot remove it. Okay, it's a showing error. You can see. That is the advantage. If they cannot, means Python will be not allowed. Okay, once error is first you have to sort out, then run. But other program, any error you can run it, compile it, then check where is error, then you can correct it. It will be time taking. Okay, here you can see, here they are not allowing, here is some error, for sort out, then you can run. Okay, you can see, and here putting this thing. Okay, so once correct it, then it's okay, fine, then I'll run here, this data is coming. Okay, so swapping. Okay, swapping, you can see here. So swapping, normally you have swapping is possible in Python. Okay, so how to see, you can see. As suppose you can see, I am here x, y equal to 3 and 4. This swapping will be do it, na? It's a swapping process. Suppose here x equal to, I am variable declaring 3 and y equal to 5. Okay, so now I'm swapping x. Right now I'm printing, you can just forget it, those things. Right now I'm printing print x. You can see print y. Okay, see 3 5 is output is coming, correct. Now I want to swap it, correct. X, y, sorry, comma y equal to y comma x. Okay, so now I am swapping. Okay, now I am printing print. Okay, x value previously what, 3 is coming. Okay, so now x I have assigned in, I'll be commenting those, commenting y. See here, you can see 5 is coming. Previously what is coming, x is 3 is coming now, and commented here, you can see here is 5 is coming. Okay, because here I'm swapping, it's a one line I have swapping, it's possible, but other language you can write at least 10 code, yeah, 7 code need, because first you have to initialize those variable, then condition you will be right. Okay, so those condition, then you can print. Okay, but here you can see one line, it will be swap. Okay, so see here 5 is coming. Suppose I'll be printing y, print y, then you can see it's a reverse swap, 5 3, correct. So swap is possible. This thing will be, remember, it's a advantage, it's a basic thing. And case sensitive. Okay, case sensitive means here small, you can write means small. Suppose you are comparing capital, then it will be showing in error. Suppose I am checking in, suppose print here I will be written the code. Okay, you can see here. The ping and case sensitive, you can see I'm not writing, it will be taking time. Okay, you can see here. So a equal to, I'm comparing, a is small, a is capital, correct? So it will be showing false. So a suppose capital, then here capital, yeah, a small, then it will becomes result in like that. Okay, you can see here. See, I'm checking equal to its operator. Okay, once operator topic will become next class, I will be explaining you. But you can see just case sensitive y, a and a. Here is small, here is caps. Correct. I am just here putting a capital, then no issue. Then its result is true. You can see true. Yeah, small here, here also small. Okay, you can see. You can see here its result is coming in true, no problem. Okay, then a remaining thing is use of quotation. Already told you, it's a string data. Already told you use of quotation, how to use of quotation. Python will be understand, this is always used. That's why I'm just starting onward, I will be told you, because next class onward operator, then looping condition, I'll be class will be start. Before that, you should be understand those things, basic things. Okay, you just see use of quotation, how to in Python, everything. Using backslash or semicolon, already told you how to end. Okay, by print function. Okay, using backslash. Okay, using backslash, you understand. 1 minute. Using backslash, so Python has given, suppose you can see here, suppose here print. Okay, print, I'm using in hello, this is our Python class, correct? So I am using in this forward slash, then I want to suppose I want to print in this result like that. Okay, you can see here, I want to print result like that. You can see I want to print this result here single quotation, here is single quotation. So then how to print it? Because Python string data will be understand single quotation, yeah, double quotation, it will be string. But I want to print inside in this single quotation result like that I want. Okay, hello, this single quotation, then. So then backslash, you can put it here. Okay, so now suppose I'll be putting single quotation. You can see inside the single quotation, it's a showing error. You can see it's a showing error, but I want to single quotation. First of all, Python will be understanding it's a string data type. Okay, but I want to print in this single quotation inside the string. So how to print it? You can see it's a showing error. Okay, syntax error. So it's a, here you can see single quotation I can use in this way, forward slash, sorry, backslash. So like single quotation, it backslash in single quotation, backslash in single quotation, it will be show like single quotation, correct? You can see hello, this is our Python class. Suppose here I want to double. Okay, here also double. Okay, so double, what will be represent? You can see here double will be represented single slash. You want to using this. Okay, and triple I'll be suppose use, then what will be happen? Okay, you can see here. This is the basic. I'll be told you how to print, how to basic syntax. Tomorrow onward, will be operator. Operator, before that, you just I'll be share you something. You can go through this operator, how to use. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Then another thing is nomenclature. Nomenclature, what is that? So this is the most important variable topic will becomes. Then I'll be explain those things. Okay, variables. So tomorrow I'll be starting variable. Okay, so today I'll be completing variable. Tomorrow will be operator. Correct. So try to understand variable. First of all, variable you understand. So what is that variable? Okay. So 1 minute here. See, try to understand variable. Okay. Variables are used to tag the data. They act as the reference of data or object and creating in variables. Okay. So variable nothing but you temporarily store some data, some assign the value temporarily. Correct. So variable nothing but like that you can see. Here I am writing the syntax, you can see variable name. Okay. And some operator. Okay, some operator equal assignment operator. I'll be next class I'll be teach you what is that operator and all kind of operator I'll be explaining. But you can try to how to initialize a variable name equal to value. What kind of value? Maybe string, maybe number, maybe list. Data structures once topic will become I'll be explain. Okay, so that I'll be explaining you data types topic, but right now just number string how to assign I'll be told. But some rule is there variables. You can see variable some rule is nomenclature. What is that? Nomenclature means it must be consist only A to Z capital, yeah, A to Z small, yeah, 0 to 9 underscore that side, not in that side. Okay. Another thing is it must not begin with digit of 0 to 9. Okay, and it must not be keyword. Okay, import keyword print means it's not be keyword. Whenever you have variable use some keyword, Python already have in this built-in keyword. Okay, so those you should not use in variable name. This is the rule. How to variable will create, I'll show you here. You can see here. Suppose I am taking one variable equal to, okay, I am assigning one string value hello, right? Now I am assigning suppose b variable equal to like that um, integer value, sorry, 45. Okay, 45. Okay, so now c variable I'll be assigning in float data, correct, float variable. D variable name you can take some rule already told you like that. You cannot take I'm taking right now A to Z small and capital also you can take it, and after that this letter you can take in letter. It's a good way. Okay, so now you can see I'll show you. Suppose here list data, list topic will become that I'll become explain. So in this way you can take is this variable. I'm assigning this value in this variable. I want to use A, B, C, D. Okay, right now you can see this variable I'll be print here data is coming those data. So this variable, suppose I'm here writing capital, no problem. Okay, A capital also no problem, but you will be writing only 9. Then what will be showing? This is the showing error. Now I'm telling you na. So it should not happen this thing. You cannot start in begin with 09. Correct. And you will be like that. You can start either you are capital A to Z, yeah, small a to Z, yeah, 0 to 9 number. Suppose I'm here putting in A, then 9, no problem. It will be result will be comes. Copy. I'll be paste here. Okay, you can see result is hello is coming or not. So I hope you understand this rule. Okay, A to Z, and like that you can initialize the your variable name. You should not like that 9 is starting. Okay. So any question? This variable regarding variable nothing but it's a temporarily you can store. Okay, one assign one variable. How to variable will be assigned? So like way, like this. In this way you can write. Okay, yeah, either capital, yeah. But here is something is different. What is that? You it must not be keyword. So what is that keyword? How to check? I'll show you. This keyword you cannot use. Okay, see post. So import keywords. Okay, then print keyword dot klist. Okay, in this way you can check the internal keywords. Those false already told you. Okay, no, once topic will be entering now, one by one I'll be explaining, but right now you can see this is the keyword. You cannot using this keyword in variable. You suppose I'll be using this. Okay, previously I'm using this, it's okay, fine, but you can see I'm using in this, false, it's showing error. Suppose I be using in this arch. Okay, you can see it's showing error keyword. Okay, you cannot use. Suppose I am using in delete. Without these things keyword, you can use in anything, no problem. So delete, it's showing error. Suppose I will be using eld. Okay, this is the keyword. You cannot use in variable names. This is the rules. So variable, what is that variable? Variable is nothing but collection of data, means temporarily. Okay, temporarily assigning. So eld you cannot write here. You can write which way you have correct way, right? This is the rule. Yeah, capital, either let character, yeah, small, yeah, after character you can write in number, no problem. This way you can write, initialize the variable, correct? So now its topic is coming, this keyword you cannot use. This is the variable, and variable here is most advantage feature compared to other language. So this is what you can see here. I'm at a time assigning multiple variables, multiple values. You can see, you can see I'm at a time assigning multiple variables A, B, C, same 12, and print also same. These two line variable will be assigned in other language. That will be take minimum 6 lines. Okay, so you can write, this is the Python. You can at a time one multiple variables assigning one value. It's possible. Okay, you can see 12. It's a printing A, B, C. It's a different. And I'm here multiple variables A, B, C assigning in multiple values. C, you can see comma. Here I'm hello string data. String data, how to Python will be understand? Single underscore, double underscore, correct? So now 9.0, it's a float data. Okay, so now I'm printing print A. What is that data? It's a 12. You can see here 12 is coming, but at a time I want to print in B, C. Okay, 1 minute. B, C. Okay, B and C. In this way you can print same. You can see all is coming at a time. I'm assigning in multiple variables and multiple values, but this thing will be possible in Java, not possible at a time. You can assign one by one, then you can do, okay, other language. But here you can, in this way you can print and assign in variable. How, what is the rule? I'll be explaining you. Okay, so I hope you understand today class, you are enjoying. Yeah, any doubt, tell me, because next class onward you can see I'm at a time also printing this A by C. This result is coming, no problem. In this way you can assign the variables. So this file hello.py file I'll be share in group. You can download, you can practice. And also I'll be share in this VS Code video. Okay, that also you can recommend you just go through and do it. So next class, this is nothing your 12th and engineering time, you already know what is that operator. It's a very easy to tomorrow class, just glance of you what is that. So assignment operator, comparison operator, logic operator, identity operator, membership operator, bitwise operator. Those one example I'll be tomorrow class explain you. I don't think time will be waste in this operator. That we will be know tomorrow class. I'll be explain you one example. Then go for the main topic. What is that? What is that? Looping. Okay, looping is most important because every programming language is the control flow is a mandatory. You can write a code. It should be you should be know control flow statement like that conditional statement, if else if and for while break continue pass is Python is advantage. This thing I'll be explaining in coming class. So any question? I hope you understand all of you. This class I'll be sharing this file. I'm audible all of you.
Yes, you're audible.
So any doubt, just group ping me. Okay. So today class, I will share this file, py file, how to run, how to install, do it. Any problem, then just ping me group. Okay. I'll be after class, I'll be share this hello.py file. You can share in this whatever today class, everything I'll be share. You can go through this and I'll be sharing how to install this VS Code. You can go through this video and install it. Any problem, that just ping. Any question? Lila, any question? Praveen, any question? Yes, Indu, any question? Okay, so can I, today I'll be wind up the class?
Yeah.
Okay.
The class, I just want to confirm. So it's like because there was one Zoom meeting saying Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and the other one we got it for like Python training saying Tuesday and Thursday, which you shared.
Yeah, every day I'll be share
Exactly.
my class is according to my Indian time. I'll be taking Tuesday. Your is Monday, right? Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday I'll be take the class. Your there will be Monday, 1 day gap. Tuesday your is Wednesday, then Thursday gap. Your is Friday. Every day, weekly 3 days class. That will be your timing is 9 p.m. EST. Correct. Hello.
Every week on Tuesday, Thursday is India days you have mentioned, right? Yeah.
No.
Okay, no confusion. It is just our class would be on Friday. That's all right, 9 p.m. EST.
Yes, Python regarding and you remaining thing you just concern with HR which date will be. I'll be taking Python. I'll be step by step. I'll be guide you and complete it. Okay.
So these 3 days. So
Yeah.
we
Only
again the next class will be on Friday.
yes. Yes. Your timing is Friday. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. I'll be wind up today class. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Bye.